Easy peasy. I think now we are like 1500 probably.
It doesn't show.
Right. Let's do it. Oh shit, look at this.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's a cold stream. I don't like it. Yep. A little noisy. Oh. Oh oh. Oh oh. Is it the store? I mean, it's close to the little. Walking in the rain to the camp. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no rain. Rain. We're going towards the rain. Running, running, running. That's how you make memories.
Yeah, for sure. I think those teenagers sitting there when we were running around to have
They were laughing
plenty of
probably.
memories.
They were definitely laughing and we were running. But there is, the sky is already clear. So, like there is the sky is clear. There is not really bad. It's okay.
It's all part of the experience.
Yeah, exactly.
Now we go what?
Slavic squat.
Slavic squat. Hug. Come. Oh, you are throwing sand on me.